Welcome back, everybody. So now let's talk about scaling, rotating, and moving the objects. So let me drag in another object here. So here we have one of the paddles, and let's say I want to rotate it. What I could do is grab this top little square here and just drag it around. And now we can rotate it to however we like. If I want to make it wider, then I could grab this box in the center and drag it. This one in the center will make it longer or shorter, depending on what we want. And these ones here will scale it based off of its resolution to larger or smaller. But let's go ahead and right click on this object and look at some of these drop down menus. So reset view, this recenters the scene editor if you've moved around and zoomed the view. The reset size, this object will be resized to its original size, so we could do that. The reset rotation will reset it back to its original rotation. Send to back, this sends the object to the first image to be drawn in the scene. So this will be also behind our little grass plane here. So if I were to send it back, now you can see it'll be the very first image. So we won't even see this on the screen because this large image will be covering it. So let's actually send this one to back. Move backward moves the object one place back in the draw order list. Send to front makes this object the last one drawn in front of all other objects. Move forward brings the object one place up the draw order. Duplicate makes a duplicate of the object with all the same resizing and orientation settings. Delete removes the object from the scene. Fit to screen size resizes the object so it matches the size of the scene. Set grid size to sprite size. This sets the grid to use the same X and Y sizes of the object. And if you have a tile set you want to make a level with, then this is a quick way to set the grid size. And locks the object so it cannot be moved by accident. To unlock, right-click where the object is, and a menu will appear giving you the option to unlock it. Also, what we could do, say I brought in a couple of these ball objects. Say we wanted to move them all up the screen. Now we could do it all one at a time, or an easy way you could do it is select your background and lock it so that way it doesn't you can't move it. And as you can saw, as I was clicking and dragging, it was selecting this yellow square. You can use that to select all your objects and move them at once. All right, and that's going to be it for this one. And the next one, we'll go over the sprite properties here.